Hey, this is Kevin Lewallen, Tactical Marketing Manager for the Massey Ferguson Rural Lifestyle Compact Tractors. Today I want to talk about our new model year 2025 compact lineup. This is a new generation for Massey Ferguson that we're really excited about. And I just want to start out by saying that everything that was integrated and updated on the model year 25 machines was led with customer-led innovation. So voice of customer feedback really drove us to make some of the changes to say how can we improve the value, better comfort, and more versatility within our lineup. Today I want to take you through our new 1M.25 tractor. What you see behind me here is the smallest 25 horse premium compact tractor that we offer with a factory integrated cab. It is available as well in an open station machine. So here you can see our 3-range hydrostatic transmission. You've got an updated instrument panel here, so for your engine hours, your fuel usage, really sleek, modern, intuitive, up to date. You've got your tilted steering for ease of use and operator comfort. You've got your 2-pedal system here for forward and reverse, makes doing that loader work and mowing really easy. You've got cruise control within the machine, LED lighting, and you've got your loader control joystick here, really ergonomic, easy to use, easy to operate. So we're very excited to announce this 1M.25 cab tractor. For more information, please go visit your local dealer or visit us at masseyferguson.com.